How do you know when you're recording?
The red dot, I think, is blinking. Yeah, I'm up to 10 seconds of video. You see it?
Zoom in.
The zoom on the left there, I think. Oh, the slider. Put your finger on the slider, maybe? Oh, I got it to zoom. Can you imagine being out on a boat in this?
Shit. Look at the breach. All the gift shops got tumbled over. There's waves like 1,000 feet out. Is that Block Island?
I don't think so, Steve. I don't think you could see it. I'm going to pretend you didn't say that. I'll edit it out of the video.